Hi friends, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show how can create another user on same computer, laptop also desktop. I am use two user for this laptop also desktop. So today we will show how can create same laptop also desktop another user. Okay, that's why we go to the this PC. Okay, and right click this PC and go to the manage. Okay, and click the manage. Okay friends, then we go to the local user and group, click in there, then go to the users. Okay, we can see there is lot of username is there, and current user is Jannatul Yasmin, Nurmohammad engineer. This is the current user. Okay, now we are create another user from in there. That's why we right click on mouse and go to the new username. Okay, and right in there is Nur, and full name also click in there is Nur. Okay, and description if you want you can write in there is power user. Okay, and uh, if you want you can put in password in there. If you cannot, then you just can be create just without password. Friends, you can see this user is in there in already created. Okay, now we check this user already create or not. That's why we sign out this user from keyboard. Control Alt press Control Alt and delete, then sign out. Okay friends, we can see to both user in there. This is the previous user Nurmohammad in engineer, and current user is Nur. I am click this Nur this user and try to sign in. This user is new, that's why we need to ready. This user is ready for need to take sometimes for complete these users. Friends, if you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Next tutorial I will show how can protect the password on your PC. Step by step Windows all program I am keeping these users. Okay friends, you can see this is the Nur user is already created. This is the new user. If you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technologies video. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial I will show how can make a password protected on your computer. Thanks for watching.